Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Test with a toothpick. At 50 minutes, start testing your bread for doneness. Stick a toothpick in the center of the bread. If it comes out clean, the bread is done. If batter sticks to the toothpick, you're looking at more cooking time.
Take our lead.
The problem with zucchini when baking is its high moisture content. After shredding, be sure to squeeze the zucchini well to remove as much moisture as possible. A clean dish towel or several layers of paper towels work. If you skip this step, the batter will have too much moisture and won't cook through.
Take our lead.
If it is wet, or has batter clinging to it, your bread needs to bake longer. If the top looks like it's getting too dark, cover it with foil. Don't slice the bread until it has cooled to room temperature.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This zucchini bread recipe should keep for at least 2 or 3 days at room temperature. If your zucchini bread is still hanging around after 3 days, you might want to refrigerate it. It should last in the fridge for at least a week, if not a few days longer.
Take our lead.
Heat the oven to 350 F. Return the bread to the oven, and bake for another 10 to 20 minutes. This will work even if the loaf has cooled, which is similar to par baking bread. If you are concerned about the bread browning too much, tent the loaf with foil.
Let's help you make your mark.
The larger and thicker the loaf, the longer it's going to take to bake. If the texture of your bread is soggy and the middle has sunk, it means there was too much liquid in proportion to the dry ingredients, insufficient leavening, the batter stood too long before baking, or it's underdone.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Now, when you get too much leavening, the bubbles get big, they bump into each other, they get huge, they float to the top and pop, and there goes your leavening. And your zucchini bread is as heavy as lead. Corriher warns that a baker's first impulse, to add more leavening, is wrong.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.